I've never seen it like this. You know, we sort of roll our eyes when they say, you know, you got to be prepared for the 100-year flood, but here we are.
Usually Left-Hand Creek is just a trickle. They turn it off and on. You can wade across it, have fun in it. And now, as you can see, it's hitting houses. It's knocked down a back fence. It's knocked out a door off the back of the house already. It's really, one of our neighbors said you don't see stuff like this, but maybe every 25 years.
I can only confirm that I've been told personally about 2 deaths, one in or near Jamestown in a structure, and one in the 200 block of Linden in the creek.